Turn that off. Oh yeah, you damn right I did. Had to wash up the old Rally. Had to wash the old Rally Ranger up. What's up, peeps? Well, it's Saturday. Got about 3 weeks till rally action. And I just came up with a brilliant idea. A little secret. So I just replaced all them leaf springs and stuff because I had broke one. And I don't know why it's all jacked up like it is, but it is. I don't have any shackles on the back. That may lower it. I don't know. But I did remember that the old Bean has a POSI rear end in her, Auburn, that my boy Phil helped me put in. So I thought today, give me a little secret advantage, we get rid of the one wheel peel jacked up style, and we'd pull the POSI rear end out of the Bean. Pretty much probably the same gearing, everything, 373s in the rear, same everything. Just have to take one out, put the other one in. Now this one does have some lowering blocks on it, and it is flipped. So I'll just, when I remove that, I'll just put the axle back on top of it. And that was a B. I thought he was going to sting me. Sorry about that. And I'll just put the axle back on top of it, and that should bring the rear end of that down. Probably even take the shocks off of this one because they're probably better. So yeah, let's do an upgrade to the old rally truck. Let's go. Alright, we got her all on jack stands. Yeah, the old compressor is running like crazy. First thing we're going to do is get this drive shaft undone. She might be tight. That's a 12 millimeter for all you Ford guys out there. 12.12 millimeters. Son of a. Need one of them ratchetings. Oh, the bell is in session. Got him out. Oh, how you get this thing out of here? What the hell? Fucker won't slide. Son of a won't do. It's not doing what I want it to. Why? Oh Jesus, this thing. Oh, it was doing something. It can't pry on itself. You can't pry on itself because it doesn't work that way. All right, I can't do it one-handed. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just leave that for now. And then moving on, let's do these shock bolts there. We're just gonna do the bottom because I don't know about getting to the top. They're kind of I don't know if you can really see it. But they're kind of goofy and hard to get to the inside as far as to hold the nuts on the inside. And I don't know, or the head of the bolt. I don't know if it's welded in there. I don't know. I've never checked it out. I haven't checked it out yet. So, all right, here we go. Let's get the bottom of these done. Then we'll move on to the brakes. Then once the shocks are off, the brakes just taken off. E-brake, and probably just cut that, And then pretty much it'll be just the leaf spring bolts. Oh, hi Kitty. How you doing, buddy? Say hi to everybody. He's always in here checking it out. He's got to make sure I'm being safe. And I told him I got... Stop! Dude, get off the camera. I told him I got my Harbor Freight jack stands under here, fully tilt. So we're safe. We're safe. Alright, well, let's get back to it. I'll try to get this done today. Woo! Yeah, that was a pain in the butt. Brake line's unhooked, and that was wrong. That's like a stud or something. There ain't no head to the bolt. So, got the shocks off. They still seem really good. So, bonus. Gonna try and put those on the rally. So yeah, alright, drive shaft undone, shocks off, brakes undone. Need to cut the e-brake. And then really it's just the 4 bolts that holds the leaf springs on. And thank God this was a down south truck, man. It's probably got more rust on it now than it did when it came from down south underneath here. Crazy. But yeah, we almost there, and then once we get her out, we'll just take the leaf springs from the bottom and put them back on the top so we get that extra clearance. And yeah, should be good to go. Not long now. That brake was a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna tell you what. Phew! Alright. Got this bolt about to come out. Need to relieve a little tension. Got that side already out. Just got the 2 front ones, boy, and this bad boy is ready to slide up on out of here. So now I just gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna jack it up. And from where. If I only had a hoist. Yeah, maybe I'll try and jack it up from right there to see if I can get it up high enough. I got a block of wood over there that I can stick on there if I have to. I don't know. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'll be back. Okie dokie. We got her all undone. Just gotta pull the bolts. So I'm gonna have to jack her up. Oh boy. Getting down here is hard when you get old. Yep, just gotta pull them bolts. Both back bolts are out. So let's dangerously jack this up with this big block of wood on the hitch here. Let's see if it falls off the jack. Or if the rear end comes out. Drive shaft probably fall out any minute. Alright, I'm gonna have to go in there and bang them bolts out, boy. Oh, just the tip of them though. Oh, just a little bit more to go, but I need 2 hands, man. Need 2 hands. Success. One side done. Oh, she's out. I took these ones all the way up there at the shackle. Because I never put shackles on the Dale truck when I bought new springs. So now over this side, just gotta get this one banged out, and boy, this bad boy will be ready to come out of here. Look at that, I put the bolt on backwards, or actually, yeah, because this side was the factory side. Last rally I had to take that leaf spring off because I broke the leaf spring on the Dale truck, whole reason why I bought new ones. Bam! Just like that. And that one's just gonna come out. No, I didn't think so. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Booyah. Just like that, baby. Alright, now when we pull her out, the drive shaft just fall on the ground. Exactly how I planned it. Alright. Oh, Jesus. I'm so old. Now, that's the only thing I worry about. This could go pretty bad. I should probably video this. I don't know. Not quite sure what it's going to do here. Where are we at over here? Oh, we're out there. Let's see, are we out under here? Oh yeah, we're way out there. But unfortunately, we gotta get up high enough so I can get it underneath the frame. Oh, this is gonna be scary. I think I'm gonna need both my hands. Maybe I'll try to set you up so you can watch. Alright, let's try that. Maybe we can put some car. You want to go over there? I can't hear you, but. So, yeah, we just need to go a little higher. I don't know, that jack don't look like it's got much left in it. Well, there it is. Somehow. Please. Okay, yes. Okay, let's try to make sure we zoom out here. That fucker, that baby right there, she's about to fall off here. That was good. That's how you professionally do it. That was pretty easy. Now, I gotta unbolt them, flip them, and put them on the top. And then they'll be ready to go. God, that one's gonna be horrible, I just know it. Down south, difference to north. Rusted bolts, probably won't come out. Yeah. But we'll see. Ain't no time to do it, but right now. So I'll get these flopped around, and then I'll pull up the old Dale truck, old Amnesty oil, and get her up here, and we'll try to recreate that process I just did. Right, got the spot all cleaned up, got those swapped. Now they on top. Left them a little bit loose so I can finagle them into position here. So let's crawl up into the old Ranger and get her up on the cement. Yeah, the wheels are straight. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. All right, Duke's a Dale cold start. Like a kitten. So let's check out what kind of shape this is in. I just replaced them bolts, so those will be easy to get out. The only ones that I kind of really worry about, and I've never checked, is these here. Ugh. Shot bolts. Hopefully a little bit of lubage. Those will come off. Brake. Those don't look the greatest. That we just cut. And this one's leaking a little bit, huh? And I don't know what the hell that's for, but drop me a comment. Maybe you guys know. I don't know. I don't know why that would be there. But yeah, alright. Time to get this one out of here, and I think if we can get them shocks off, boy, that'll be sick. We'll have some brand new shockies kinda used, somewhat secondhand to go in there. So yeah, spray some lube down, go get me some food real quick, then I'll get back to it after that stuff sinks in a little bit. But these should all come out just fine because those are all brand new. So yeah, hopefully this one won't be too bad. We'll find out. We're in number 2. Get a couple jack stands for the truck man. Alright, here we go. Round 2. I'm gonna take them bolts out and that stuff off, and this over here, and that goes over there, and then we'll be gone. And we'll put that in there, and then we're gonna rally. Yep, we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it out. Alright, get to it. Enough talking, enough videoing. Get off my lawn. Alright. Got one of the other shocks out. Let's see which one of these oh yeah, look at those are already bigger. See the difference if I can push them down. This one goes down pretty easy. Other one not so much. Alright, go. I said go, red one. Oh. I don't know, I'm gonna have to go with the black ones just because they are bigger bodied. But I guess I'd have to say them other shocks aren't too bad. They come up awful quick. That's for sure. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't know. One's definitely got a lot more travel in them. Holy smokes, look at that. Length difference, Jesus. So yeah, we'll throw these ones in. Cool. Bam, and just like that, a little fade action, and now I'm back and I have all the bolts undone. But unfortunately, the way I put these stupid ones in here, I have to undo that whole bracket, which is this, the shackle, holds the shackle or whatever, because I can't get in the back side of that bolt, because the factory one has this cool bolt. Got my bench set all up. See, it's got this right here to where that hits on the bracket and unscrews. So yeah, I need some of them. So yeah, I gotta undo that bracket. Then I can pull the whole rear end out of there and undo that the rest of the way, and then bolt it to my shackle, because I'm going to use that bolt on there, I guess. Yeah, and that'll be it, and then slide the new one back in. I've got a new way I'm going to jack it up here instead. I think that'll work. I've got a jack on each side, and I don't know if it'll go up high enough, but hopefully it will. And then I can slide the rear end straight out the rear. And then, yep, there we go with them again. She's all mad because she's not in the video. There you go. You're in the video now. Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy now? You're in the video. Look, she won't even look at the camera. She wants to be in the video, but she doesn't. Something else, that dog. So yeah, give me a few more fades and we'll get this bad boy rolled out of here. And get this POSI, Mokum POSI up in here. Yep. Whew. Success. Man, I almost really want this. Telling you what. Alright, well, we got them both out. Now I just need to take these brackets off of there and put them on there. Slide this one back in and start reassembling. Drop her down, make sure she works, and then, yep, I do have to put it back in that one too. Damn it. Oh well, that's alright. That bad boy's gonna be all jacked up. So, yeah, alright, I guess before it gets dark time, which it will be by the time I get done with this, I might as well be getting to it. Well, boys and girls, there it is. POSI swap. Now, I still have a little issue, so unfortunately, I ain't gonna be able to drive it tonight. One of my brake lines did not want to hook up for some reason. I don't know if maybe it's the fitting or something for the brake there that's stripped or something, because the old one will screw right in. So I'll have to go in the morning and get me a fitting and reflare that brake line and put it together and then bleed the brakes. And then we can take it for a POSI rip. But boy, I'm pumped now. Look how she sits now. Sits way better. Sits level. Well, tires are a little flat, but yeah. Yeah, boy. She is race ready now. Definitely race ready. Whew. I'm beat. I'm dirty. Hungry. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna edit this video, I'm gonna upload it. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna shoot another video of me finishing it and going for a rip. Mostly going for a rip, because I know nobody wants to see me work on this shit. So, well, thanks for hanging out, and I hope you all ready, because now Dukesdale got POSI and you all in trouble. I think I might even put in on the pot. Guarantee that I'm gonna win this. What you got? All right, ready on.